Right.
Climb up on that and do it.
There we go. Just like she was doing it every day.
I know, it's a civilised way of doing it. How's that?
Pretty good.
Do those feel quite comfy there?
Yeah. Yes. That's good, isn't it? Can you
So you should, your horse is a bit short.
can you manage that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it. Go on. There you go. Well done. Well done, eh? Can you do it with Zorro?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Sometimes.
There we are. I'll go and open the gate.
Oh, I'll even get on.
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye now.
Bye.
Don't get too wet. Okay. Okay, bye-bye now. Well, they're away riding and they left me with this guy. He's only a year old. Look at the size of him. And he's really very friendly, aren't you? What a nice guy you are. What a friendly boy. Yes, you are. What a nice boy. Yes, it's going to be a very big horse, this one. Today?
Good.
And where did you go?
We went up there, up to the caravan.
To the caravan?
It broke, didn't it? Yeah.
You've been away about an hour and a bit. How
We
long?
went all the way right up to there.
Oh, you went the long way round, I see. Oh, well. And did the horses behave themselves?
Yep.
Yeah? And which one were you on?
Oh, I was on that one going up and then Tony on the way back.
Tony coming on the way back? Well, that's good. So you had a good time?